afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Woody and welcome to Bulls Amphitheater for High Flyers. Well, this afternoon we are going to take you all on a flight and journey to the colorful and wonderful world of birds, and hope that you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help all our feathered friends across the world. Well, first we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of the course. In the wild, the course loves to congregate on palm trees and feast on palm nuts. We have replicated a palm tree right here on stage. Look up there, that's the replica of those palm leaves. With that, let's welcome the birds. Everyone, look up there. Here comes the first bird. This is Gaia. Gaia is a high-seen macaw. Two of his friends will be joining in a very short while. Once more up there, and here comes Ferrari and Lambo. These two are scarlet macaws. Well, these colorful macaws can be found in the jungles of South America, and often after feeding, these birds will fly to rocky areas such as this to lick up on clay or chalk. This is to help them in the digestion of unripe palm nuts or fruits which they have eaten. Well, it looks like Ferrari is still out there enjoying the fruits. Not to worry, this will definitely be their next stop. Well, we have more macaws joining us on stage. Well, macaws are known to gather fruits for their young during the nesting season. In fact, we are going to have a little competition between these two birds to see who is faster in collecting those fruits. They need supporters. People from the middle to my right. We are going to support Barry, the green macaw. What you have to do is just clap your hands and call out his name. Barry, Barry, Barry. Very good. Now people to my left, we are going to support Cocky, the scarlet macaw. Same thing, clap your hands. This time we call out his name. Cocky, Cocky. Very good. Now, birds to the table. Macaws gather fruits for their young into 3 hollows, something like what I have up here on this table. 4 fruits for Barry, 4 fruits for Cocky. Supporters ready? Birds ready, and go! Cocky supporters! There you go! Well, we have a winner, Barry! What happened there, Sharon? He says warm up. So what you want? One more match? Okay, let's ask all these people out. Do you want one more match? Your wish is granted. Everyone deserves a second chance. Look at the birds right here in the bird park. Well, once again, 4 fruits there for Barry and 4 fruits there for Zonda. Zonda supporters, I think you need to cheer louder for the birds. Ready and go! Cocky supporters, one more! Cocky, there you go. There it is. Well, we have a true blue champion this afternoon, Barry! Sharon, don't be sad. I think Cocky did very well. These 2 birds has done very well in fruit collecting. A round of applause for these 2 birds and their trainers, Shahir and Chanel. Well, right here in the bird park, we give our birds fun activities to do which are similar to what they do in the wild, and this is known as enrichment. In the wild, birds forage for seeds and nuts. Well, this afternoon we have a trainer up there, Lisa. She is holding on to an enrichment device. It is actually a rope tied into knots, and in these knots we have hidden treats for the birds to find. Let's see if they can find them. It looks like the volunteer is ready. Everyone, look at the nest box on stage. Can you see them? I can hear them now. Here they come. Well, these 4 are sun conures. Well, sun conures can be found in South America. Well, like us, they like to live in large groups. Can you imagine a large flock flying? How colorful but noisy these birds can be. Well, right here in the bird, not only are we active in conservation, we get the school student involved as well. The nest box on stage where you saw the birds flew out from was actually built by students from Greenwich Primary School in conjunction with Earth Day. Well, sun cornets are smaller species of parrots. The largest that you saw earlier was Gaia, the hyacinth macaw. And if you'd like to see more parrot species, do head down to the parrot paradise. Well, there goes our sun cornets. We need 2 more volunteers. Get the attention of Nisa right up there in the middle. And on my left, we have Shapril. Well, every morning, the male and female toucan would leave the nest to look for food to feed their young. And this is what we're going to have for you next. The next 2 birds coming out are going to fly very, very low, just above some of your heads. I need your cooperation. Please remain seated. When the birds are flying, do not stretch out your arms to try to touch the birds. This is for your safety and safety of the birds which are flying. It looks like the first volunteer is in position. Everyone, look at that part. There comes one. There'll be another coming out in a very short while. Well, these 2 are cocoa toucans. The cocoa toucans are the largest in the toucan family, easily recognizable by their huge orange bills. Despite having huge bills, these birds remain agile and maneuverable in flight. And to demonstrate that, one of our trainers, Shanril, he will toss up 1 food each for these 2 birds to catch. Let's see if they can catch them. Well, these birds are known to catch insects in mid-flight without even stopping. First bird, ready, Shanril? Ready? 1, not yet. Still having his treat right out there. First bird. Ready? 1, 2, and up he goes. Fail. 1 more time. Let's try this 1 more time. Ready? 1, 2, and up he goes. Yes. Okay, let's try the other one first. Ready? Mrs. Horn. Ready? 1, 2, and up he goes. Yes! Now for the other bird. Ready? 1, 2, up he goes. Yes! They did it. But I have not introduced them to you. This is Mr. Horn. While that over there is Mrs. Horn. Husband and wife team. Well, it's very lucky for us to see these 2 birds up close and personal, but their numbers in the wild are declining due to deforestation and poaching. We can help them by simply supporting your local conservation efforts. These 2 birds are very loyal to one another. If one goes, the other will follow. Now, Mr. and Mrs. Horn, time for you to go back home.